Fen?
Hi.
Wait, my mic sounds like it's like...
What?
Sounds like it's like not plugged... Oh, there it goes. Actually, I kind of want to know what happens if I unplug it slightly. Does anything actually happen? Fuck! I forgot to... Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm streaming at 11:56 in the morning. So, that's cool. What's up, what's up? How's everybody doing? Damn, everyone's awake. Okay, yeah, I need to figure... Yeah, I'm gonna try to stream during the day like a normal human. Seeing everybody here so fast. I should probably, like, for the sake of the streams. Also, guys, guess what? We have a special guest. There's a special guest. He's really shy. I don't know if he wants to say anything. It's almost 8 p.m. Where you at? Stream at 12 p.m. What am I streaming at this ungodly hour? Alright, you want the context? I'll give you the context. That's not the context. The context is that I took a nap. So I woke up on Sunday.
A nap.
You're in Russia, you think? Thanks for the sub, Bezo. What's up, man? Dude, okay, no. Let me explain this. And don't make fun of me. I'm kind of tired. I'm a little tired. So the context is, I woke up on Sunday. I woke up on Sunday at like 4, no, not 4. Yeah, actually, like 4 p.m. And, want to play multi? I would, but I don't have a lot of time to dedicate to a multi, so I'm just going to solo for now. I'll be back, though, later in the day, probably. But I woke up on Sunday at like 4 p.m. And I've been really tired. Yeah, I don't play this game much. I was really tired. I felt really tired for a lot of the weekend for some reason. And I think it's because of my sleeping habits. And because where I live, the sun hasn't been out. Like, the sun hasn't been shining. It's been so overcast and, like, melancholic weather-wise. And so, like, I think that was kind of, like, deteriorating me for, like, a week straight. But it's better now, you know. And so I was waking up at, like, 4 or 5 p.m. when there was, like, an hour or, like, almost sometimes 30 minutes of daylight left by the time I got outside. And it was, like, fucking with me. So I took a nap. So I took a nap, and I woke up at 4 a.m. or something, like 3:30 a.m. My schedule is like Europeans. Yeah, it kind of is. I woke up, it was like 4 p.m. It's like 10 a.m. Wait, what? No, 4 a.m. is... Let's play the game. I'm gonna shut up. I only have like 40 minutes to stream. So I'll make it worth it. But yeah, how's everybody doing? What, have I missed anything in anything at all? Enough for one run? True. Good point. Also, I'm gonna get fucking bullied so bad. I'm so bad at this game. I don't know any real strategy. It's still kind of loud. You have finals next week? Are you sure? Dude, I'm so happy for some reason. Like, I'm streaming, I'm up at a reasonable time. Oh, everyone's here. This is dope, man. This is actually awesome. The things that you can do if you just fix your sync schedule. If you crash the game, you get a secret achievement. Tell me how to crash the game, and I'll do it right now. If there's a secret method in the task. Dude, oh my god. If anyone's in the Discord, you guys are gonna know about this. But I just now figured out what the source of that audio was that was going on my OBS for like 3 days.
Congrats on finding out what being a normal human is like.
Thanks. I need to turn that alert up, actually. I turned it down for... There we go. So, okay, you guys want to know what it was? For those who are unaware, I'm gonna get a clip of what it was. There was a hidden browser source. So, fun fact about OBS. OBS hides, so if you hide a browser source, make it, invisible, right? So let's say I took this GIF right here, and if it had audio as a browser source, if I turn it off, it's still going to play the audio. For some reason, OBS does that with browser sources. And I had watched a video on a browser source, some random GD video, and I guess when I hit it the first time, it stopped playing the audio. So I thought nothing of it. So then the next time I opened OBS, it started playing that video again, but I didn't remember the exact audio of the video. And so I was I was struggling to figure out what the fuck was going on. Every time I'd open OBS, I would hear and then eventually I would just hear a GD completion.
OFC, the guy that's always thinning ABT food, is using a program called Obese.
Dude, I'm banning you from my stream right now. Why? I'm not fat, man. You're getting banned. I'm so fucking tired of it, man. Here, wait. Let's have some fun. Should I just keep that there? Should I keep that on the screen? That was from a character AI stream I did. I'm gonna keep it there. You can't even see my money. Oh, no, you can. You can. Actually, Finn is Rob Top, so it's not lying.
Yeah, I came out as Rob Top 2 days ago privately, and now it's time for public. Yeah, I'm Robert. You know, I'm just Robert.
By the way, if you guys want to ask Rob any questions directly, you can.
Yeah.
If you want to ask him anything. Here, wait. Let me get the right pin. Oh my god, this fucking guy. He's trying to shovel people into his Discord. What the fuck is wrong with him, dude? Wow, what the fuck? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna buy a green suit, and then I'm gonna have I'm gonna have a friend come over and wear the green suit and green screen myself in front of a green screen when my friend's a green screen, and then I'm gonna green screen I'm gonna green screen my I can't even talk, dude. I'm gonna green screen my fucking room's face cam overlay so it looks like I'm in my room, and then my friend who's wearing a green suit is gonna be blended into the chroma key, and he's gonna feed me a cup of coffee or something, and it's gonna look like there's just a cup of coffee levitating towards me. Sorry, I'm so bad with words. Oh god. No! Can you unrate tidal wave? Should I just pretend like I'm Rob Club? Just answer that? peak bit. I actually look like I look like a war-torn veteran on my face cam right now because there's so much natural light coming in my room, and I didn't sleep too well the last couple days until I just slept for so long. I actually have like eye bags. I look like a celebrity without makeup right now. Okay. That didn't happen. I'll try again. Alright, Luca, if you want to play still, I'm down. But you might have to talk in the stream chat still, unless there's a Risk of Rain chat. Your house is haunted stream. Is my face cam even on? Whatever. Dude, I'm getting fat. I'm not getting fat. Wait. Is that... No, that's my phone. Look in general. I'll look in a little bit. Hold on. I have an idea. Should I make it so that the chat, there's no overlay, but there's like the webcam is in front of the chat? I'm gonna do that. Why is the resolution so bad? Why is it 4:3? No, hold on. Is that why I need to go to the gym later? Yeah, because I'm fat. This is the dumbest fucking thing I've ever done. Gym is for losers? Dude, who fucking said that? You're getting banned from the stream. That's the live chat. There we go. So wait, what were you saying? Sure, okay, alright. Do I have you on Steam? Get in here, bruh. Dude, please get it here.
Get giggity with me.
What time is it? Yeah, I'm gonna host. Might as well. I mean, I guess, right? What the fuck? There's an entry on this GD iceberg called F&M cage fighting video.
What?
Get on the game. Hurry up. Do you think I could try to like key the background on my webcam? To make it like blend in but really poorly? Let's see. How fucking horrible. Oh my god. Wait, that's so weird. Dude, it's suffering from intense radiation poisoning right now.
Did you ever buy the cheese hat?
Did I ever buy the cheese? Fuck! I forgot! I got it. Alright? I got it. I'm trying to, like, key this in a funny way. This is only something I would do. Just spend most of the stream being stupid like this. That's fine. It's like halfway keyed. Alright. Let's go get on the game. You have to disable cream pie? Cream API? I did. Okay.
Yeah, disable cream pie, man. That's exactly what you want.
Don't say a word right now. I'm in a very vulnerable spot.
Can't be reminded of cream pies.
Kek. What? You have to disable cream API? So should I just play single player? It's loading. I'm not horny brained. Don't say that in here. That's
What a fib. What a fib to tell.
Don't say that in here. That's what's this? I'll put the Cheez-Its back. You know what? Every person that's mean to me, that's another face cam. Every person that's mean to me, I am going to get rid of a Cheez-It.
I think I care about Cheez-It.
You're in? Alright. Dude, when you're chilling with the boys and Bangarang comes on, we call that Hangarang.
And I'm chilling with my boys.
Ah! How do we increase it? Increase the Cheez-It count? I guess be nice.
You know, I'm just chilling in Cedar Rapids.
What happens if I cover this with my finger? Does it just fully, like... Yeah, it does. You smell nice today. Can you add a Cheez-It? Okay, I will. That was very kind. Wait, I just got such a stupid... Okay, Luca's in here. Alright. Luca, carry the fuck out of me for a second. Okay, I don't care about any of that. If people join, oh well. Wait, who started a prediction? Who did that? Damn, I only have like 45 minutes left. Will Kek do good this run? I don't know. I'm gonna say no. That's what I'm gonna say. I don't play a lot of Risk of Rain. I actually have no fucking idea, like, how to play. Well, okay, I kind of do. Actually, I kind of do. I can't wait till I could get to the point where like I could start up a stream and just solve a puzzle for like 3 hours. And then just end the stream and go like watch a movie or something.
Be right back.
Oh yeah, Luca, be fully expecting like me to just have to go and end the game. Wait, someone voted 8,000 channel points for that? How do you have $9,000? You have so much money. Is there a chat? Oh my god, it's the golden ratio. I saw art earlier on Twitter of Hatsune Miku made out of golden ratios. You know what? I challenge somebody in the chat to find that. If somebody can find that image, I would be so impressed. Like, what would even come up if you Googled that? One to 850 ratio. I want some items. Luca is taking everything, dude. I want something. A metal jacket or something. Yeah. Okay. Luca, we need to fight the boss. His greed was his downfall. Hatsune Miku golden ratio or me? He was too greedy for his own good. Yeah, I have to worry about fall damage. Oh yeah, guys, fun fact. Fun fact, by the way, our main water line broke today. It just stopped working. So now the water pressure's low in my house. That's a fun fact. Just in case nobody here knew. Jesus, dude, oh fuck. Generating scrap. How? Dude, I have no idea. So, I noticed last night, or I guess when I woke up, I noticed, like, when I was washing my hands in the bathroom, that the water pressure was really low when it was all the way up. And, like, I took a shower before whatever happened, so I don't know if the shower is even gonna work. But that's gonna fucking suck if it doesn't work. Dude, I love showering. I shower every day. Yeah, I'm so unique like that. I love showering. That's just one of my really unique traits. I'm an iceberg, Andy. Can you cover the darkest GD iceberg? It doesn't exist. I'd love to, but it doesn't exist. I'm kind of like the perfect, okay, well that sounds egotistical. I'm a good candidate for making one of those. Because I've made the other ones. What is this? Don't worry, Kat will make one. The problem though is that if you want to make a really dark GD iceberg, you have to know so much shit that only like a very small niche amount of people even know about anyway. Like, there is so much shit that people just don't know about in the community. that like how like some of it it's like why should that even be public? I mean, I don't know, like that. It would be difficult. I mean, unless you just don't want to cover like drama, because I guess drama is different from the game. Like, I guess drama is kind of different. Like if someone's happened with somebody, I guess unless it's like a crazy situation or something like that, it doesn't really matter. You know. Like, the deepest GD iceberg. This person and this person was in a relationship. Okay. It's like... Why did, like... Who cares? What if it was ironic? Dude, I'm trying to buy something I can't afford. You have insane connections and classified info. You would know the most. I feel like someone like Viper would know the most. I get what you mean, though. Oh god, my voice. Dude, but something's happening in my voice. It's the Soylent I've been drinking. Something's happening. I'm getting fucked by a rat or whatever that is. W item thief. Yeah, Luca is actually like stealing everything. Kek is missing the point by not looking in general. Bro, I'm playing a game. I'm trying to like detox from checking Discord every 4 seconds. I'm already reading chat. Yeah, you know, the voice crack Andy. Dude, I've never voice cracked in my life. Okay? Never happened. It has never happened. And it never will. And it never will. What if I just started up a stream and I just said, what if I just started up a stream and I just talked like this? What if I just said like, hey, what's going on?
Marge, is that you?
I'm starting up a live stream. Marge, is that you? I sound nothing like Marge Simpson. Marge Simpson would be like, That'd be like Marge Simpson. I don't have that like I don't have that grittiness into my throat muscles. Oh, that or I just haven't unlocked it yet. Do a home impression. A home impression, you mean like the guy who made Resonance? Starts singing Resonance. Home here. What does Homer say? Ooh, oh. My voice just literally doesn't go that deep. This is as low as it's gonna go. And even when I'm talking this low, it sounds like I'm trying too hard. I was actually just born with Soylent in my bloodstream. What would Watch Mojo's favorite clips from me would be? I don't know. I just stole that. Finders keepers. You know what I'm saying? I mean, what's really gonna decide if I go to the gym is whenever I'm finished streaming, if I can even like drive over there, because I'm borrowing someone's car. Because mine was like, all right, we're gonna leave. Found the portal. Dude, you can barely fucking read the live chat. Wandering. I thought that said fragrant. Oh my god, my ass. My right glute feels so weird. I don't know what's happening. Am I getting like a glute growth spurt? Risk of Rain's pretty good. Manaxa made a little bit about the game. Dude, I was thinking about that earlier because I played this like one other time off stream today. And then I really wanted to do a stream. And I thought about that. I didn't watch that video. I'm sure it's really good though. Maybe I'll do a stream with Manaxa at some point if he wants to. I honestly I haven't called with him in a very long time. For anyone who doesn't know, I used to be really, really good friends with him. I used to call with him every day for like a couple of years. Yeah, he's awesome. Steal the vid by reacting to it. Not like I'd be making any money from that. Dude, even if I did make money from that, Manaxa would not give a fuck about that. But like, I'd feel bad. He came out of the blue with a video one day. Do you want to know the story? Like, I mean, there's not really a story. But it's more just like... Because I remember he started making videos when I was still talking to him pretty regularly. And I remember we were talking about like making videos. Because at that point, I started taking YouTube more seriously. And then I remember it was literally just one day he was just like, I kind of want to make YouTube videos. And he literally just did. Like, that's it. He had a lot of, like, random videos that he made. Not random, but, like, kind of, like, just, I don't know, variety content. Until he got that, until he got into the horror niche. No, like, he literally was just like, I kind of want to make videos. And then he just started making videos.
Hello.
That's the story of Manak.
I don't know who that is.
You know Manaxa.
Oh, yeah.
Luca, we gotta go. We gotta go. It's time. Luca's rotting on the other side of the map. I mean, like, I'm glad Manaxa has found something he's enjoying and doing it. Because, like, I mean, even if, like, he wasn't doing YouTube, he would be drawing and making art and stuff like that. I mean, at least that's what I think he'd be doing. I should DM him and be like, dude, someone's talking about you on this guy's stream. He's horror, Andy, you're ice brigade. Dude, I put like a decent amount of references to him in some of my videos. Like old inside jokes that like happen to be relevant to the like material I was working on. Like in the Mario Sunshine video, there's a picture of like a blooper being pulled, and it's like really low res, and it just says Manaxa. And sometimes people comment on that video and say like, what is like the timestamp, and they're like, what does that mean? And I remember one time Manaxa responded to one of the comments and was like, IDK. That's something you would do. I mean, I'm pretty sure I like DM'd him and was like, "You should respond to or something." I think I said like lol or something. I don't remember what I said. I just remember him responding to it because he sent a screenshot of him replying to it, and I was just like, lol. I sound like I'm sick. Do I sound like I'm sick? I definitely feel like I am a little bit. Paul's goat hoof, huff. It's actually funny though. No, like he literally just said like IDK. Like that's all he said. Like no other like emphasis to the statement. It was literally just IDK. Those are so hard to dodge. Why am I up? Because I can't put down the cup. I can't put down the cup. Oh, that's the truth. I didn't say that, dude. Ben, you want the truth? I'll give you the truth. Oh yeah, Bezo. I'm pretty sure I know where you're from. I'm pretty sure I know where you're from. I think I figured it out. We're gonna end this joke. No, I do. I think I figured it out. Don't tell him. I think I know. I would tell him. That makes it sound like it was like a secret. Dude, honestly, I don't know anyone online who keeps their like ethnic background a secret. Not I mean like nationality. Or maybe both, I guess. I don't know anyone who like hides. I'm not saying you're hiding it because like we're kidding, but dude, it's so obvious. It's so obvious where you're from. Like after like knowing, it's like, oh my god, yeah. Finn.
Huh?
You have a common talking point with Bezo.
Are we British?
I'm pretty sure he is.
Bezo, please don't disappoint me.
Pretty sure he is. He's still doing a bit. A bit of what? This isn't a bit.
Hello,
Yeah.
chat.
Who's that?
Hello, chat.
Oh my god, it's Mr. Ham. I don't have Discord open. Dude, someone could join and just scream and be able to see it coming.
Just call me Charlie. What the fuck?
I mean, no, you on mobile.
You don't
kinda
know
do
me?
Sound like Charlie.
You don't know me?
Charlie the Spine Tree.
Really? I don't think so.
No,
I
when
disagree.
you joined the call and said that, it did kind of sound like
For
him.
1 microsecond.
Oh my god, I got my achievement. I got mechanic. It was very scary. Alright, nobody say anything when I do this. Ready? If humans had tails, we'd probably find unique ways to use them. Oh my god, subscribe.
Stop.
Oh my god, subscribe. Subscribe.
Oh my god, subscribe.
Dude, I'm getting fucked in the game.
If humans had tails, we'd probably find unique ways to use them.
You know how you make those
I hope
voices,
the
by the way?
thing makes it so you never talk again.
The clay thing?
It's 11 Labs. It's 11 Labs.
What clay
No, the
thing?
what?
What clay thing? What are you talking about? You're
Clay
making
thing.
up words. You're actually making like words up. Well, clay's a word.
Blue.
I'm dead. What?
You know how you make those the
If
AI
humans had
voice?
tails, we'd probably find unique
You know how you
ways
make
to
those?
What?
You know how you make those?
Do you just like dub it with itself or whatever? Like not,
No.
Yeah.
There's
it's
literally
something-
there's a tool on 11 Labs where it's like
Oh my
change your
God.
voice into an AI voice,
Oh, that's cool.
and the default one is that voice that's used in all those videos.
I want to do that with the German meat grinder clip. How do you still think I'm British? Dude, come on, don't pull this. Don't pull this right now.
If humans had tails, we would find unique ways to use them.
I'm sorry. I can't do it. I've never heard Bezos talk, actually, I don't think. So maybe I'm just going off of word of mouth.
I don't know if you're doing a bit, but I don't have a British accent. Okay,
Hey,
I've got to go.
I've been saying this for years, but Bezos does not have a British accent. I've been saying it for the better half of
I've
a
been
year.
saying this for years.
I have like the James Mayer accent. It's the only one I know how to do.
Both sound like James
My voice can't go down. Can't down.
Now you're
It
Australian.
can't go down.
It can't go down.
I can't put down the cup. The cup.
I don't know how
Can't
to
put-
put down the cup.
I can't
I
put
don't know what
down
you're
the cup.
talking about.
No, you're talking about. No idea.
Talking about.
No
Talking
idea.
about.
Talking about.
Talking
About. About.
If I put you in a meat grinder, and the
If I put
only
you in a
thing
meat
to come
grinder.
out, and the only thing to come out was your head, was your eyeball, you're probably dead.
Sound like Australian Jacksepticeye.
I can't even try to make this funny. How's it going, guys? Jacksepticeye here. Today we're going to be
you-
playing Subnautica.
I think it's time you ended your life.
Today
about to
we're
say
gonna
it's
play
time
some
to end the
Subnautica.
Today, mate.
No, I love this
Today,
game.
mate,
It's
we're going to be
amazing.
playing Subnautica. It's a new game I found on
It's
Steam.
bloody amazing.
Steam. It's bloody amazing. Someone's talking about something the whole way.
I like how we're just being racist on stream.
It's not
You what the
racist.
hell, mate? You is, mate.
I love
Oh,
Australians. I'm not
no.
discriminating
I don't-
against
I
a
don't
group of
sound
Australians. I love
like
Australians, dude. You think I don't want to go to Sydney and Melbourne and Perth? You think I don't want to go explore those those really long deserts?
Yeah.
Desert.
There's actually a rainforest at the top of Australia.
You think I don't want to go to the Great Barrier Reef? Right. I don't know how to say words. I need a bug roll right now.
Words.
Right now.
Yes. Words.
Oh, I can't put down the cup.
Stop, man.
Put it
I'm
down.
offended. I'm not even Australian. I'm offended.
Australian.
I just want to feel offended. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
These liberals in
You-
there
you-
need to be offended all
You
the
just want to feel like
time.
a victim.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah,
I'll
mate, I'm a
victimise you.
victim. I'm a victim of
I'll
assault.
victimise you,
Assault,
alright?
Fuck off.
Ah, fuck off, mate.
Fuck off, mate. Fuck off, fuck you.
Fuck off, mate.
Oh,
Fuck off.
It's mate.
Fuck
Oh,
off.
fuck off. Fuck off, Vaser. I know you got a British accent. Fuck off, mate. See, the problem with my Australian accent is that it's not, like, nonchalant.
Guys, mate,
It's
I've got
too-
food for dinner. I have to
Yeah,
go and
yeah.
eat my supper.
What'd you get?
I've got a zinger burger for dinner.
Mate, I got like bolognese,
The
mate.
Hungry Jacks?
Yeah, mate.
Dude.
Got a sausage roll for dinner.
Let's go,
Oh my
man.
god, babe, you're right. I'll be right back.
Oh, he's got to eat dinner. He's got Hungry Jacks for dinner. Right. What do British people eat? Like beans and stuff. You're watched at this? Dude, I don't even know where I am. Holy fuck, dude. That's such a good active item. Damn. I had no idea that active items could even be that good until now. I had no idea. The dossiers and dead. You didn't use those statues? I don't know what's going on.
Statue's a statue.
Dude, I have like 5 minutes until I gotta go. 5-10 minutes. I can't get down the car.
You sleep yet?
I woke up at 4 in the morning.
Oh.
You need to go to bed. Go to bed right now. Dude, I will. It's 2 a.m.
Peter, come to bed. It's 4 in the morning.
I really hate that term. What? The only N-word we mention every day in this house is Nutella.
Would you say you did good this round?
And the only N-word we use every day at home is Nutella.
Is Nutella. What? Oh my god. Luca, protect. Sorry about that, mate. I'm back. Back now. What I miss?
You're bloody
dead?
dead, mate.
Fuck! Fuck! Alright, well, I kind of... I'll talk for a minute on stream, but... Otherwise... Otherwise... Oh my god, we got an incoming bid. GG Kek. Wow, thanks so much. Thanks so much for the bid. For the single bit. Kek, why do you do that? Do what? Am I getting gaslit? Alright, let me see what you guys are sending. I'll check it now. I'm kind of hungry. I'm hungry. Oh, Ham is still here. What are you doing? Are your pronouns really burger?
Yeah.
Wow. That's amazing. Dude, my tabs on Chrome are so fucking dumb. I have my streaming dashboard, SCP-650, Soylent.com. Alright, well, this was a short stream, but I appreciate everybody showing up. Oh, I can't. Am I actually doing it? Doing what? How do I, like... Okay, I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna try soy on stream. I wanted to even see, like... I knew what it was, but I wanted to, like, see how much it was, because I thought about doing it on stream. That makes me... That sounds like it's, like, some big thing. It's just... No, it's just drinking Soylent. It's, like, actually... dumb. Points have been returned since I didn't get an answer on if you did good. I got carried the whole time and then died. So you can make your own conclusion, I guess. Alright. Oh my god. My fucking stomach. Dude. This fucking sucks a little bit. Alright. I'll end the stream now. Googer boog. Googer. What? Can I mail you something? I don't have a PO box set up yet. I'm gonna set one up eventually for like stream packages. Oh, you just want to send me something for Christmas? Is it like an Amazon thing? I could make like an Amazon list. But like, I mean, I don't, but then it's not a surprise. That'd be funny. Do a Christmas unboxing stream. Well, I mean, not on Christmas. Maybe on like the 27th, 26th. I open like gifts from viewers or some shit. I don't know. That's a cool idea, but we're so close to Christmas. I don't think that's a good idea now. Damn, we gotta wait a whole year. I'll think about setting up a PO box though. I'm definitely gonna do that at some point. By the way, I will say, okay, I'm going to end in a second, but I will say real quick that I'm also not going to upload the VODs to YouTube anymore. Just because I don't really feel like it, to be honest. Maybe I'll make like a Kekdan VODs channel or something. But I'm going to see if I can give perms to somebody or just to everybody for accessibility to download VODs. If anyone else wants to do it. But like they're going to exist, I mean. But yeah. I don't know. I haven't made the announcement about it yet. Anyway, alright, I'm gone. Bye-bye.